21, we're going to simplify by collecting like terms. That one will be like this one here. And we're going to use the distributive method for these two. And this is supposed to be an A, little typo there. All right. So we'll get started for the first one. So the first one, we're going to distribute. So you get 3 times 3A plus, always copy down your operator, 3 times 5C. Now here, always be careful with this negative. So that's going to be minus 2 times 4A minus 2 times negative 6C. So anytime you hear yourself say minus a negative, that's going to turn to positive. So let's go ahead and complete this. This is 9A plus 15C minus 8A. And these two negatives are going to make a positive 12C. Now, let's collect our like terms. 9A or 9 apples minus 8 apples is 1 apple. You don't have to put the 1 because you could say an apple. And then 15 carrots plus 12 carrots, or 15C plus 12C is 27C. And that would be your final answer there. Now, the next one is the same thing. We're just going to take this 5A and put it in front and multiply each of these terms. So we're going to do 5A times 7A squared times B plus 5A times 6AC squared minus 5A times 8AC. So again, what I did is I just copied my operators here. So I put them here. All right. Now we're just going to multiply this out. Multiply your coefficients. That's 35. A times A squared is A cubed. And we still have the B. Copy down your plus. 5 times 6 is 30. A times A is A squared. And still have your C squared. Okay, so then this is going to be minus 40 for negative 5 times 8. A times A is A squared. And we have 1C. Now, let's see if we have any like terms. Looks like these two are like terms. Like terms being these two. Oh, they're not the same. So, since they're not the same, we are done. Let me erase this. This is A squared C. So A squared C. This has to be also a square, and it's not. It's to the first power. Okay, and the last one is just collecting like terms. And for this one, we need these terms to be the same. So this one is the same as this one. So we can add the 15x squared y cubed with the 7x squared y cubed. And then we have 8x to the 4th y times y. And we can add those up. And that's going to be 22x squared y cubed. And then we still have our 8x to the 4th power times y. And that's your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.